What's up, guys? Look at this garage I'm in. I think it looks like someone's living room, but it is here. It houses a ZR1, has a sitting area, tray ceiling, but look at this car. Brand new ZR1. This is the same guy that did the video several months ago with the Canyon Red, I think it is. It's the burgundy one that we took. He had just took delivery from Bowling Green. He decided he needed another one, so now he has two. So we'll get some shots of those together shortly. But I think I like the blue better than the Canyon Red. You guys can let me know in the comments. But check this thing out. When I open up the door on this thing, the smell just hits you. It is a brand new car. I don't know how many miles are on it, but I know it has been 170 already on an undisclosed Mexico highway. But you know the smell of a brand new car. It just, there's nothing better. And all of this leather and suede and carbon fiber. Oh my goodness. I'm a Mustang guy for sure. But this car is cool. It is amazing. The seats are really cool. Check those out. Carbon fiber on the seats. Competition seats, nice. But the black and the blue, man, and that steering wheel, look at that thing. That is awesome. The screen, heads-up display, carbon fiber roof. This is a really cool car. There's no doubt about it. This is not your average run-of-the-mill Corvette. It is a really cool C7. The C8s are really cool. I can't wait to see one of those in person. This guy likes the C7s the best right now, but we'll see if he ends up with one. I think the C8 is the only Corvette that I've ever really would like to have, other than my all-time favorite Corvette is a 63 split window. If I could ever own one of those, that would be amazing. Big block. I think they came with a big block that year. But anyway, this is a super cool car for sure. Look at the size of the brakes on this thing. Pilot Sport Cup 2s. Guys, this is a 19-inch wheel. And look at the size of that rotor inside of that 19-inch wheel. Look at the size of the freaking caliper. I think that thing's got to be 13, 14 inches long. This thing is really cool. I know I've said that already, but for a Corvette, this is the ultimate Corvette. No doubt about it. Alright guys, this is my boy Jeremy. He is the detail guy. He detailed this car and all this guy's cars, but he is also a Corvette guy. Which Corvette is better? This one or a C8?
Oh man. I don't know, I haven't seen the C8.
Yeah, we haven't seen it yet, so.
I figured you'd ask the question which one was better, the automatic or the manual.
Well, all right, we can go there. How about that? The automatic. This guy has an automatic and a manual one.
Well, I haven't rode in either one of them, but.
You rode in the Z06 though, right?
Yep.
And you got scared a little bit.
A little bit.
But this one has been 170 in Mexico, right?
Yeah, Mexico.
Yep.
He says this one he ain't quite got used to the changing the gears. This is the automatic, changing the gears on the automatic. He said he hits the rev limiter every time. So he's used to driving the manual.
Oh, okay.
So.
Well, about color wise, I told him my favorite.
I like the blue.
I like the blue too.
The blue is sick. Mm-hmm.
Oh man.
I like them both.
I do.
But the blue is just.
We'll get some video of both of them together one day at the same place, but I would take either one probably if somebody gave it to me.
I think so too.
All right guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out of here.